Welcome back to another video, Broke Boys Builds. And we took out the motor on our 1996 EK hatch. Like I said, it's spun the bearing. What we're doing right now is pretty much cleaning the we're using this LA is totally awesome all-purpose concentrated cleaner and degreaser. As you can see, it's cleaning out the engine bay. And I'm gonna go ahead and use I just used the whole bottle. Probably need maybe a couple of more, but as you can see, it's pretty much taking out all the grease. And I'm gonna go ahead and paint the engine bay. I just don't know what color. I'm thinking pink. I have two daughters, two baby girls, so it's just a fun project, you know. And I'm just gonna let that soak for a little bit, and then I'm gonna hit it with the pressure washer. But basically, the motor's over here. What I did is, like I said, this is a really budget build, you know, a build if you want to call it. I was gonna buy some jack stands, but they're too pricey. So all I used was pretty much that jack stand, and I have two of these. I had one over there, one over here, and I used this 4x8 wood, and pretty much I just raised it up and took out the motor. The motor's right there, and I just need to source out a jack stand so I could put it on the jack stand and make sure we pretty much, you know, unravel the motor. But this is our working shell that we're working with. We need to fix that. I've never done any body work, so I don't know if I'm gonna do the body work by myself. I do have a cousin of mine that does that, so I maybe take it to him. But I really want to rattle can this entire build. Like I said, it's a budget friendly build. We're giving ourselves anywhere from $2,500 to $3,500, including the shell. And like I said, look, this product works pretty good. I really wanna just I just want, you know, the OEM look, make it look clean. I want to go B series, but B series is pretty expensive. So I do have the D series over there, and I don't know. I really don't know what to do. They are having a special for $150 at my local junkyard, so I might go for this 4th of July weekend, and maybe that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe get a $150 D series engine if they do have any, and just slap it on here for now, and then maybe this one build it for turbo. But like I said, this is the car. I'm really hating this right here. I'll take you on a stroll so you can see it. But yeah, we're pretty much about to wash the engine bay right now, and so that's that side. The fenders I really don't care because I could get new fenders, but the door has that right there. That's a big gouge right there, but maybe what I'm gonna do is just fill it up with Bondo or something. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put y'all somewhere on a time lapse so y'all can see me wash this engine. And yeah, hopefully y'all like the videos. Subscribe, and the next video it'll probably be at the junkyard, maybe here this Sunday. So if you like I said, this videos, like, comment, and subscribe, and so I could keep making them. And it's really a big dream of mine, you know, owning this car, and pretty much just building it from zero. And I always wanted to do this. You know, I've had other Hondas in the past, but I've never actually like built them. I just bought them like that, and this has always been pretty much like my dream. It's always been sitting in the back of my mind, And yeah, guys, like I said, I don't like this right here, but I mean, we'll have to live with it. Like I said, right now, our priority right now is just cleaning the car, make sure make sure we get the engine running, and then we'll worry about the body. You know, other people will worry about the body first and then the motor. I'm just trying to get this thing to drive, and you know, just use it as a daily. I do have a work truck, but I want something that I could go and, you know, just drive around. And for the pressure washer, we're just using a 1900 Ryobi, 1900 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. Put you somewhere over here so y'all can see me. Well, it's somewhat cleaner, as you can tell. Like I said, I want to go with the OEM look. I don't know if I'm gonna paint the engine bay. Still got a little bit of gunk here and here. I need to get more of that spray right here, because I mean, it works. I just ran out. It does take all that gunk off. But yeah, it looks clean. I mean, I don't know if this car, I mean, by the looks of it, it looks like it was a white car and they painted it gray. Because this looks white, grayish. Yeah, guys, if you like these videos, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.